In this next problem, we're going to establish the identity that sine fourth of theta equals 3/8 minus 1/2 cosine of 2 theta plus 1/8 cosine of 4 theta. The way we're going to tackle this problem is to recognize the following identity. We know that sine squared of theta is equal to 1 minus the cosine of 2 theta over 2. The way we can use this to our advantage is to say that the sine of theta to the 4th power is equal to sine squared of theta times sine squared of theta. So now I can say that sine squared of theta is 1 minus the cosine of 2 theta all over 2 times 1 minus the cosine of 2 theta all over 2. To make life easy, I'll just pull these denominators of 2 out as a fraction of 1/4, and then I'll multiply the numerators using the FOIL method. First is 1 times 1 is 1. Outer gives me a minus cosine 2 theta. Inner gives me a minus cosine 2 theta. So I have minus 2 cosine of 2 theta. Last gives me minus cosine of 2 theta times minus cosine 2 theta. So that's plus cosine squared of 2 theta. And we close the parenthesis. Now I have a cosine squared of 2 theta that I want to get rid of. The way I'm going to get rid of that is by using the following identity, which says that the cosine squared of some angle, I'm going to change it to alpha, is equal to 1 plus the cosine of 2 alpha all over 2. So, in the context of this problem, my alpha is 2 theta, which means that I'm going to end up doubling that angle to become 4 theta. So we're going to have 1/4 times 1 minus 2 cosine of 2 theta plus, and I'm going to enter this expression in there, 1 plus the cosine of 4 theta. Again, that's because here the argument is 2 theta. When you have an argument, you double it in this formula. So I have 1 plus the cosine of 4 theta, and that's all going to be over 2. Now what I'm going to do is slide this paper up so that we can again see the continuous flow of the problem within the same screen. What I'm going to do is take my 1/4 and distribute it into the brackets. So 1/4 times 1 is 1/4. Minus 1/4 times 2 gives me a minus 1/2 cosine of 2 theta. Then here, take this 2 and divide it into the 1, and you get 1/2. 1/2 times 1/4 is 1/8. 1/4 times 1/2 here is going to be 1/8 cosine of 4 theta. Now all I need to do is combine my like terms, like 1/4 plus 1/8 is 2/8 plus 1/8. That gives me 3/8 minus 1/2 cosine of 2 theta plus 1/8 times the cosine of 4 theta. By the way, if you're wondering why we're going through this exercise, it's because this particular identity is going to play a big role for you in calculus.